Hi, my name is Jose Diaz-Reyes. I'm a member of the operations team here at ACshares. Yeah, we had a legacy system before, but what Vista-Suite has allowed us to do since we changed over to is be more effective with our time. We get more information to our COCs, which is one of the requirements I have to do for each port that we work through here. Basically, the way the system works, we get a renewal request from the salespeople. When I pick that work order, I just transfer over to in process. Now, everybody in the system knows that myself is working on that part. We look for the part in our stock system. If it's not, we take it off the plane. Again, Vista-Suite will let us know what we do have in stock and whether we do have it or not. Once we do that, we clean the part, we photograph the part. With Vista-Suite, we're able to print professionally looking COC from the system. Legacy program we had before, we had to deal with everything was handmade. It looked okay, but with Vista-Suite, everything looks more professional. When it goes to the shipping operations column, that's when it gets back to us here, our operations. We are responsible for making sure the parts got all the documents. We make sure that it's packaged right, and we make sure the address is correct. One way that we make sure all that steps is through Vista-Suite. We able to print out a shipping checklist, and we check as we go, and that prevents from everybody from missing any steps, and everybody's doing everything in the same way. The part goes out to repair. When we receive the part back, we receive it against an LOR, which is a logistic order receiving. And any documents coming back with the part, whether it be an 8130, reject notice, any repairs that were done to the part, we attach it to the car, and it's the same LOR, LOS, it's all together, and it travels from step to step to step, and everybody in the organization knows exactly the step that we're on with that part.
My name is Lee Gillis here at ACshares Aviation Group. Here at ACshares Aviation, I deal with the inventory. I am a part of the inventory inbound management team. We take the parts, whether they're electrical or mechanical, and we put them throughout our facility. The Vista-Suite program has been very helpful to us. We have QR codes that we can use. We can take pictures of the parts and put them on our system. We've used other programs that unfortunately they haven't been as helpful as they have here. We're able to see the pictures, have the resources, and all of the information all on one screen. Whereas before I had various tabs where I had to keep looking for different information or to move the information around when I needed it. Thank you so much, Vista-Suite.